Okay, the service pack 1 has been installed on node 1. Now we need to set the possible owners for the SQL Server cluster. Right click on the SQL Server cluster network name. Click properties. Go to the advanced policies tab. Select the node 1. Now the node 1 is available for failover. Okay. Now move the services. Currently the SQL Server cluster, the owner of the cluster is node 2. Okay, so we installed service pack 1 on node 1. Now we can move the services to the node 1. Now we are manually failing over the services from node 2 to node 1. Okay, the SQL Server database engine has been started on node 1. Now SQL Server agent is about to start. Okay, now everything is failed over to node 1. Okay, now we have installed service pack 1 on node 2 and node 1. We can go to the management studio and see the product version number, product level, all those things to make sure that we have updated the SQL Server to service pack 1. Click new query. Now the node 1 is processing. Node 1 is active now. That is fine. Now we will verify what is the product version. Okay, Now it is 10.0.2531. The RTM version is 10.0.1600.22, and this is service pack 1. So we have successfully installed service pack 1 on node 1. Let us verify on node 2. Now manually failover the services onto the node 2. Okay, now all the resources in the resource group, SQL Server resource group, are being served by node 2. Now let us check the server property for the node 2. Okay, it says node 2 is active and this is the version number. So we are fine. We have successfully installed service pack 1 on node 2. Okay, let us see what we have covered so far. We installed service pack 1 on both the nodes. Now we will install active. Basically what the active cluster is, we will have two SQL Server resource groups, and one resource group, one node will be active, and another resource group, another node will be active. Okay, multi-node instance, that is the active. Currently what we installed so far is active passive. So if we do the same thing, if we install one more SQL Server cluster and make one node as active, another node as passive, then that is active. Okay, let's start installing active cluster. Now we have the SQL Server resource group, and node 2 is active and node 1 is passive. Okay,